Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from Love Your Practice, and today I'm going to talk about one way that you can help your law practice grow without spending more money on advertising. Because as you continue to get more leads, the issue then becomes not having more leads, but making sure that those leads actually convert into people showing up to your office and then hiring you as clients. Now, this may seem really simple, may seem really easy, but it is something that you need to implement in order to make sure that you are spending money wisely with your marketing dollars. And what it is ensuring that your customer service is bar none, A+. Starting off, what specifically I'm going to talk about is answering the phones and making sure that when your team answers the phones, they're answering it in a manner that is going to result in setting up the consult. And there's two things that you should do immediately. One, create a script for your team. Everyone should be following the script because you don't want one person answering the phones one way and another person answering the phones another way. And then second, you need to be monitoring and listening to the phone calls in order to ensure that you're providing awesome client service. Because you may think that your team is doing one thing, but in reality, what I find is that they just need a lot of training, a lot of support, and this is an ongoing process that needs to happen every single day, where you or someone else from your team is going through and doing a training, listening to the calls to ensure that the script is being followed and you're providing client service that is going to support your law firm and ultimately the client, so that they feel comfortable and they want to come in and set up a consult. So we're doing this daily in our firm, and we spend a half an hour to an hour listening to the calls and talking about what went well and what didn't go well. And by doing that, we're constantly improving, and we're also finding that there's a lot of questions that I didn't know my team had, for instance, that I'm able to answer on the spot. And even though we had a formal training in the beginning, it's ongoing because we can't think of every hypothetical that's going to happen. And it's fantastic because you don't have to spend any more money on marketing. You just have to focus on training. Now, of course, you have to disclose on the phone that you're recording the calls. So there's different services that you can use to do that. We use a service called NextDiva for our phones that implemented that, and that has worked really well for us. But if you're not doing that, then you are leaving money on the table, and you're not serving your clients as well as you can, and you're not serving your team as well as you could as well, because they're not getting the support that they need. I hope this video has helped you and provided value to you, and I invite you to check in next week to the Love Your Practice marketing show to learn more tips and tricks on how to grow your practice. And go to Loveyourpractice.lawyer to download our free guide and report on how to get more client reviews. You can also call us at 916-613-3553 and schedule a free 20-minute consultation to learn about how you can improve your marketing. Thank you, and have an awesome day, and see you next week.